Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, I guided viewers through navigating the AWS Skill Builder portal and leveraging its resources to boost their AWS cloud knowledge and skills. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to pursue the AWS Certified Data Engineer Associate certification. AWS launched this exam on March 12, 2024, making it essential for those eager to be among the first certified individuals. Let's dive in. Head to the user menu and navigate to the course catalog. Utilize filters and keyword search. Enter Data Engineer Associate in the search bar. Choose AWS Certified Data Engineer Associate Learning Plan. This is a free self-paced learning experience spanning 21 hours and 47 minutes. Aligning with the certification, it's recommended to have hands-on experience during exam prep. The learning plan includes links to the exam guide, sample questions, and exam registration. Click Enroll and ensure successful enrollment before clicking Start Learning Now. The plan features 16 self-paced courses. Start with Fundamentals of Analytics on AWS Part 1 to begin your journey. The course provides navigation tips and content search assistance. The exam prep question set comprises 20 questions with detailed feedback and recommended resources. Copy the AWS Training and Certification Customer Service link for future reference. Proceed to the Data Question Dashboard. Review the Candidate Code of Conduct and start the practice. When ready, access your AWS Certification account via the User menu and AWS Certification. The interface was refreshed on January 17, 2024 for improved usability. Review the provided tips before scheduling your exam under exam registration. I hope this video aids you in enrolling in the latest AWS Certified Data Engineer Associate Learning Plan on the AWS Skill Builder and registering for the exam through the refreshed AWS Certification account. Stay tuned for my next video.